How to install PUBG Mobile on Android. This tutorial shows you how to download and install PUBG Mobile from the Google Play Store on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store application on your Android device. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Following that, type in PUBG Mobile and search. Now, look for the official PUBG Mobile game in the search results. Moving forward, tap on the PUBG Mobile icon to open the game page. Make sure it's published by Krafton or Tencent Games. Tap on Install to begin downloading the game. The download will start and you'll see the progress bar. Afterwards, wait for the installation to complete, which may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Tap on Open to launch PUBG Mobile for the first time. The game will download additional resources when you first open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup and start playing. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you install PUBG Mobile on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.